Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to have a look and see if you're on the right track.
Okay. When you're ready, do you want me to tell you what I've done? See if it's correct.
Okay. Hang on, let me just open this up.
Yeah, that's okay.
Open, and it's 24, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay, cool. Oh.
Hiker begins, that's it.
Yep. I'll have to read it from the side.
That's okay. That's right.
Yep. Okay, suppose I'm going to turn my head like this. So hiker begins his journey at location Y and walks 3 kilometers due south to destination L. He then walks 2 kilometers due east to location C. What is the bearing of the main? Is that?
Yeah, it's a bit off. I don't know.
Yeah. Starting from point Y.
So
yep.
They're asking the bearing from that C.
Okay. So let's draw our
quadrant up.
There you go. Yep.
And then I worked out that the point of origin is Y.
Yes, that's right. So this is Y. Yep.
And then he walked directly south.
Yep.
For 3 kilometers, and I labelled that 3 kilometers.
Yep.
And I labelled that dot L.
Yep.
And then he drew 2 kilometers east. He walked 2 kilometers east, so I went straight due east.
Yep.
That's 2 kilometers.
Yep.
And so they're asking for the bearing from true north around to that C.
Okay, and this is point C, is it?
Yes. So do we have to take it as a triangle and use tree to work out the hypotenuse? And then
what are we trying to find?
Not the hypotenuse, but if it's that line.
Yeah. Do we need to find the length?
Yeah, no.
Yeah, so we don't need to find the hypotenuse. What do we need to find?
That angle in there. So
which
the
one
angle
where? I'll give you some choices.
LYC.
A.
Okay, yeah.
B or C?
C.
C, yeah. We've got to find C. Yeah, cool.
Okay. That's where I got tripped up. We don't need to find the length.
No.
So 2 sides and 1 angle. Cos.
Now, is there any other angle that we do know in this triangle?
90.
Where? A, B, or C? A, cool. So this one's 90, yeah?
Oh, yeah, okay.
Yep. So you were going straight to which strategy?
Well, 2 sides, 2 angles, and 1 of them are unknown. I love that, what you taught me.
Did you?
Yeah.
Oh, that's good.
I told my friend in my class too.
Oh, okay. Oh, that's awesome.
But it's the right angle.
Sorry?
It's the right angle.
Yes, it's a right angle triangle. When do we use the 2 sides, 2 angles, 1 unknown, 3 sides, 1 angle, 1 unknown? When do we use that?
Non-right angle.
Yeah, non-right angle. So we don't need to use that for this one. What would we use instead? When we've got right angle triangles, do you remember what we use instead?
SOHCAHTOA.
Yeah, SOHCAHTOA. Good. So we're going to use SOHCAHTOA for this. SOHCAHTOA. Which one are we going to use and why?
So we have opposite and adjacent.
Yes.
So we don't have hypotenuse. So hang on, hypotenuse, opposite, adjacent. So we're using tan.
Yes, that's right.
Because we have opposite and adjacent.
Yes. See how we've got the opposite here and we've got the adjacent here?
Yep.
Yep. Cool. So we're going to use tan. So tan of our angle.
-1.
That's angle B, by the way, because that's opposite. No, sorry, angle C, by the way, because it's opposite C. Yep. I gave you different options, A, B, and C, but if we were to label that angle, it would be
C.
C, yeah. Would be equal to what over what?
2.
Yep.
over 3.
Yep, 2 over 3, which is opposite
over adjacent.
over adjacent. Got it?
Yep.
Which is, how would you find angle C from that?
Shift tan.
Yes, that's right. So inverse tan.
The tan -1.
Yep. Hold on. Of 2 on 3. Yep.
Yep. And then you press a little bubble button.
Yep.
And then to 2 decimal places.
Mm-hmm. Oh, actually, you don't need. You won't need the bubble button because bubble button is for degrees, minutes, and seconds. We don't have degrees, minutes, and seconds. It's just a decimal.
Okay, lovely. I got 33.69
degrees.
Yep.
Okay, cool. And so what have we just found?
We just found that little angle C.
Yeah, so we've just found this angle here, right?
Yep.
So how would we find the bearing? And the bearing will be from north, won't it?
Yeah.
So the bearing is that there.
So do the 90 minus the 33.669. Can you do it that way?
Yep.
That's the other side. And then 90 plus 56.31. And that equals 146 plus 31, which is C.
Yep. Good. So D. Got it?
Which is D, yeah.
Yep. Now, I was just, and it was really helpful actually, because I was listening to how you worked it out.
Yeah.
Well, at least this bit here. We got this angle, and then we try to work this out. Is there an easier way, or is there another way? Because it might not be easier.
Yeah, there is another way, but I always do the 90. I just how to go for that one.
Yeah. What might be another way that we can do this?
180
minus.
Minus. What was it? 33.69.
That's right. Go with whichever way you think is more comfortable for you. Yeah. Like I said, for me, it'd be easier to just minus from 180, but
yeah, true.
Yeah. Whatever works for you if you're confident that you won't get it wrong by doing it 90 minus and then adding 90.
Yeah.
90 minus to get that angle and then add 90, then do it that way. Whatever works for you.
Yeah, okay. Yeah.
Got it?
Yep, got that one.
Well done. Now, just out of curiosity, where were you stuck? I think I know the answer, but where were you? What was it about this question that had you stuck?
So when I reread it, because when we did the previous question, I got an idea of the wording. Mm-hmm. The thing that got me stuck is that I went to go solve the hypotenuse.
Yes, that's right.
Yeah.
That's right. Yeah.
And then
go on.
And then I thought if we're finding an angle, then how is that going to help?
Yeah. 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 So they're the 2 takeaway points for this for you. Okay.
Yeah.
Is we're finding the angle, not hypotenuse. So were you looking to use Pythagoras when you were?
No.
Oh, okay.
No, I didn't really look that far ahead. I kind of just thought we have to find that line.
Yeah. So we're finding the angle, not the hypotenuse.
Yeah.
Which means that we use SOHCAHTOA.
Yeah. It's a right angle.
And not Pythag for the hypotenuse.
Yeah.
And also we're using SOHCAHTOA instead of the sine rule or the cosine rule. Okay?
Yeah.
Because why? Because we're dealing with a right angle triangle.
Right angle triangle.
Okay. And then the other thing that is going to be a takeaway point for you
Yeah.
is the other thing was we're not using the bubble button.
Yes, that would have tricked me out. If the question
Ordinarily you would. You would.
Yeah, because the question said state your answer to 2 decimal places. If the
Yeah.
question said state your answer to the nearest degree or minute, then you would use the bubble button.
Yes, that's correct.
Okay.
Yeah, but because it's saying because it's saying
2 decimal places.
Places, yeah.
Yeah, lovely.
Yeah, and you can see my screen, right?
Yeah.
Cool. Okay, awesome. Well done. Are joined by a cable. It is attached 2 meters above the ground to one tree. Oh, yes, there we go. And 11 meters above the ground to the other. What is the length of the cable between the two trees? Okay, cool. So we're not interested in why. So this is your working, right? Yeah, we're not interested in
why. Why did I cut that in half?
Oh, okay. Yep. No. Oh, I like.
Or define triangle.
Yes. We're trying to find a triangle. Yeah. We could do it. Yeah, I think I see how you're trying to do it, but there is an easier way, right?
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Can you find the easier way?
No.
Because we've got. Let's have a think. So you got 2 here. You got 11 there. Yep. And you've got part of this triangle here. Yep. The rest of this triangle is there. Do you see that?
Oh, yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Now, what sort of a triangle is that? And let me just redraw it, by the way. I'll redraw it here.
Because then you can do 11 minus 2 to find that side.
Yes. Which side?
To find that side.
This side, the one that, yeah, cool. Yeah. So that's going to be what?
11 minus 2 is 9.
9, yes, good. Well done. And this one's going to be what?
12.
12, good. 12 meters, 9 meters. And what are we trying to find? The cable, right? So
yes.
Yep. Now, how might we find it, by the way? And what sort of a triangle is this?
What are they called?
Yeah. What are they called?
Can you give me the 3 options?
Oh, what's
You asked me what type of a triangle it is.
Yeah, what type of a triangle it is.
Oh, right angle triangle.
Yeah. Can you see the right angle?
Yes.
Yeah. Cool. So what can we use to work out our unknown?
Sakatoa.
Sokotoa?
Yep.
What are we trying to find?
A side.
Yeah. Okay.
The hypotenuse.
Yes. Okay. So we're trying to find the hypotenuse. So we could use Sokotoa,
Yeah.
or what other tools are available to us when we're working out a right angle triangle?
Pythagoras.
Pythagoras. Okay, cool. Now, they're the tools that are available to us. Any others?
No.
Okay, so which one?
I would say Pythagoras.
Now, when would you use Pythagoras and when would you use the others? Sokotoa.
Well, Sakatoa, you need another angle.
Yep. Yes,
And
you need a
Pythagoras.
right angle and another angle.
Yep.
Yep.
Where Pythagoras, you need the two sides.
Yes.
Three sides, and one of them is the unknown.
Unknown. Yep. Cool. So we use Pythagoras. Yeah.
Yep.
Applying Pythagoras, then you're absolutely right. Pythagoras is the right one to use. When we're applying Pythagoras, what would we? What's the formula, by the way?
C squared equals A squared plus B squared.
So did you say C squared equals to A squared plus B squared?
Yep.
Good. Okay. And what's?
Yep. So A equals 9.
Yep.
B equals 12.
Yep.
And then C is X squared.
Yep. Good. Okay. So yeah, let's put that in. X squared equals to 9 squared plus 12 squared.
Yep.
Yep. Yeah, let's work that out.
Yeah. Okay. I got 15.
Yes.
So I just did square root of 9 squared plus 12 squared.
Yep. And you got 15.
Yes.
And that's your answer.
That's the answer.
Yep. And have you got access to the answers?
Yeah, I'll tell you the
You
answer.
know that that's the answer?
Question 9.
Yeah.
E. What?
Yeah, there's no E, is there?
The teachers did say that the answers, a lot of them are wrong.
Oh, okay.
Then the answers aren't very reliable.
But there's no E.
But there is no E.
Yeah. No option E.
That is very weird.
Oh, okay. But that's the answer in the back of the book.
It says E, so
Okay. Well,
it's very weird. So yeah.
Yeah. So Bob's wrong.
Bob is wrong. We're right.
Have you heard Bob? Have you heard of Bob?
Pardon?
Have you heard of Bob?
No. Back of book.
So yeah, so
given the answer's a name.
yeah. So Uncle Bob's wrong.
That's funny. That is
Yeah.
That is good. So yes. Okay, so I just got tripped up on the drawing
Yeah.
and understanding the question.
Yeah. Now you might get quite a few questions like this, so just be aware.
Yeah.
Yeah. I think you probably could work it out from what you've got here. If you drew a line from there to there, you probably could work it out. And you'd probably use the sine rule, the cosine rule.
Yep.
But it's unnecessarily complicating things.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think if I read because I went through this book and I highlighted the questions like I did in purple, ones that I weren't sure on. And even if I do that in the exam and then come back to it and then get have a fresh look at it, then maybe I can look at it twice.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, well that's good.
Awesome.